Hello friend, today I will show you all about American people favor a variety of indoor plants for their beauty, ease of care, and numerous benefits. Here are some of the most popular choices, along with their growing and care tips, and the advantages they offer. Popular indoor plants in America. 1. Pothos plants. Known for its trailing vines and heart-shaped leaves, pothos comes in various cultivars with green, yellow, or white variegation. It's incredibly forgiving and adaptable. Growing and care tips. Light. Thrives in bright, indirect light, but can tolerate low light conditions. Too much direct sun can scorch the leaves, while too little light can cause variegation to fade. Watering. Allow the top inch or two of soil to dry out completely between waterings. Overwatering is a common killer, leading to root rot. Drooping leaves usually indicate it's time to water. Humidity and temperature. Tolerates average household humidity and temperatures between 60–80 degrees Fahrenheit, 15–27 degrees Celsius. Soil. Well-draining potting mix. Propagation. Easily propagated from stem cuttings placed in water. Benefits. Excellent air purifier, removing toxins like formaldehyde, benzene, and carbon monoxide. Its cascading vines add a lush, natural aesthetic to any room. 2. Snake plant. Sansevieria trifasciata. Also known as mother-in-law's tongue, this plant features stiff, upright, sword-like leaves with striking patterns. It's renowned for its extreme resilience. Growing and care tips. Light. Highly adaptable, from low to bright indirect light. More light generally leads to bolder variegation. Avoid direct, intense sunlight. Watering. Water sparingly. Allow the soil to dry out completely between waterings, especially in winter. Overwatering can quickly lead to root rot. Humidity and temperature. Tolerates dry air and temperatures above 50 degrees Fahrenheit, 10 degrees Celsius. Soil. Well-draining potting mix, ideally one formulated for succulents or cacti. Benefits. Exceptional air purifier, even at night converting CO2 to oxygen. Extremely low maintenance, making it perfect for beginners or those who travel frequently. 3. ZZ plant. Zamioculcas zamiifolio. Description: a tough and elegant plant with waxy, dark green leaves that grow upright. It's known for its ability to thrive on neglect. Growing and care tips. Light. Tolerates low to bright indirect light. Avoid direct sunlight, which can scorch the leaves. Watering. Water every 2 to 3 weeks, allowing the soil to dry out completely between waterings. Its thick rhizomes store water, making it very drought-tolerant. Humidity and temperature. Tolerates average home humidity and temperatures between 60–75 degrees Fahrenheit, 15–24 degrees Celsius. Soil. Well-draining potting mix. Benefits. Extremely low maintenance and highly tolerant of neglect. Excellent air purifier, removing toxins like xylene, toluene, and benzene. 4. Peace lily. Spathiphyllum spp. Description: features glossy, deep green leaves and elegant white, sail-like blooms. Actually modified leaves called spathes. Growing and care tips. Light. Prefers bright, indirect light for best blooming, but can tolerate low to medium light. Direct sun can scorch the leaves. Watering. Keep the soil consistently moist but not soggy. It's better to underwater slightly than overwater. Drooping leaves are a clear sign it needs water, and it usually perks up quickly after a drink. Humidity and temperature. Thrives in higher humidity, so misting occasionally or placing it near a humidifier can be beneficial, especially in dry environments. Prefers temperatures between 65–80 degrees Fahrenheit, 18–27 degrees Celsius. Soil. Well-draining potting mix. Benefits. Excellent air purifier, removing a wide range of airborne toxins including ammonia, benzene, formaldehyde, and trichloroethylene. Adds a touch of elegance with its beautiful white flowers. 5. Spider plant. Description: a classic houseplant with arching, variegated leaves and spinnerets. Baby plants that dangle from the parent plant, making it ideal for hanging baskets. Growing and care tips. Light. Prefers bright, indirect light. Can tolerate lower light, but growth may be slower and variegation less pronounced. Avoid direct sun. Watering. Water regularly, allowing the top inch of soil to dry out between waterings. Avoid letting it sit in soggy soil. Brown tips can indicate dry air or fluoride in tap water. Humidity and temperature. Tolerates average room humidity and temperatures between 60–80 degrees Fahrenheit, 15–27 degrees Celsius. Soil. Well-draining potting mix. Propagation. Easily propagated by potting the spinnerets. Benefits. One of the easiest plants to care for, making it great for beginners. Non-toxic to pets and humans, effective at removing toxins like formaldehyde and xylene from the air.